I've been a mechanic for 15 years, and I see the same mistake over and over. People buy these used cars thinking they got a deal. Then they're back in my shop draining their wallet. Let me save you thousands right now. Nissan Qashqai 2010 to 2017. Looks reliable, right? Wrong. That CVT transmission is a ticking time bomb. Here's what happens. The belt variator wears out. The transmission starts jerking and slipping. Then it overheats because Nissan cheaped out on the cooling system. I've seen these fail at 60,000 miles. A new CVT? $3,500 to $5,000. And here's the kicker. Even after replacement, the same issues come back because the design is fundamentally flawed. If you already own one, change that CVT fluid every 30,000 miles, not the lifetime nonsense Nissan claims. It might buy you some time. Ford Kuga 2013 to 2019. Ford Kuga with the powershift transmission, another disaster waiting to happen. This dual clutch system uses a dry clutch that wasn't designed for stop-and-go traffic. The plastic retainer breaks, the clutch starts shuddering, rough shifts, then complete failure. Ford issued multiple recalls, but the fixes don't solve the root problem. Replacement cost: $2,000 to $4,000. And if you got the diesel version, add DPF clogging to your problems. Short city trips kill that diesel particulate filter, and cleaning or replacing it runs another $1,500 to $2,500. My advice? If you're looking at a Kuga, walk away. There are better crossovers out there. Volkswagen Passat 2011 to 2015. Looks premium, drives like a nightmare after 100,000 miles. That DSG transmission has a mechatronic unit that fails. Symptoms? Rough shifting, won't go into gear, warning lights everywhere. Repair cost? $2,500 to $4,000. But wait, there's more. The 2.0 TSI engine burns oil like crazy. We're talking a quart every 1,000 miles. VW says it's normal. It's not. The turbo actuator wears out. The DPF clogs on diesels, and the EGR valve gets carbon buildup. You're looking at constant $500 to $1,500 repairs. Peugeot 3008 2010 to 2016. Popular in Europe, expensive to own everywhere. The 1.6 HDI diesel engine has turbo failures. The turbo starts whistling, loses power, then dies completely. Replacement? $1,800 to $3,000. Short trips destroy the DPF. It clogs up, goes into limp mode, and you're stuck on the side of the road. The EGR valve fails constantly. And the electrical system? Random gremlins everywhere. Windows stop working, sensors fail, dashboard lights that nobody can diagnose. Parts are expensive, and not every mechanic wants to work on French cars. Think twice. Opel Insignia 2009 to 2016. Looks sharp? Sounds like a diesel tractor after 80,000 miles. Why? Timing chain. Tensioner failure. You'll hear a rattling noise on cold starts. Ignore it, and that chain jumps, destroying your engine. Repair cost: $1,500 to $3,000 if you catch it early. New engine if you don't. The turbos fail on diesel models, the DPF blocks up constantly, and the dual-mass flywheel rattles like a can of bolts. That flywheel replacement alone is $1,200 to $2,000. These cars depreciate fast for a reason. Nobody wants the repair bills. BMW 3 Series E90 2005 to 2012. The affordable BMW that becomes very expensive very quickly. Timing chain issues are legendary on these. The plastic guides wear out, the chain stretches, and you get that death rattle. If it jumps timing, you're looking at $3,000 to $5,000 in engine repairs. The Vano solenoids clog up, causing rough idle and poor performance. Water pumps fail without warning. Your engine overheats and warps the head. That's a $2,500 repair right there. Valve cover gaskets leak oil everywhere, and if you got the N54 twin turbo, add fuel injector failures to the list. Yes, it's fun to drive, but unless you have a $3,000 annual repair budget, skip it. Renault Megane 2012 to 2018. Another French car with expensive problems. The 1.5 DCI diesel engine eats turbos. They fail around 80,000 miles, and replacement costs $1,500 to $2,500. The dual mass flywheel fails prematurely. You'll hear rattling when starting or shutting off the engine. That's another $1,200 to $1,800 repair. And the electronic handbrake, it malfunctions constantly. Sometimes it won't release, sometimes it won't engage. Dealers charge $800 to $1,200 to fix it. Parts availability is hit or miss, and resale value tanks, not worth the headache. Jeep Renegade 2015 to 2020. Cute little SUV with massive problems. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts hard, slips, and shudders. Jeep issued software updates that don't fix anything. Replacement? $4,000 to $6,000. The 2.4-liter Tiger Shark engine has defective piston rings that cause excessive oil consumption. You'll be adding a quart of oil every 500 miles. Engine replacement runs $5,000 to $8,000. Random stalling while driving. Electrical gremlins everywhere. Windows, locks, infotainment system all fail randomly. And good luck with resale value. These depreciate faster than almost any other SUV because everyone knows about the problems. So there you have it. 8 used cars that look like deals but turn into money pits. CVT failures, timing chains, turbos, transmissions. These are expensive repairs that dealers won't tell you about. If you're shopping for a used car, do your research, check reliability ratings, look up common problems, and always get a pre-purchase inspection from an independent mechanic. If this saved you from a bad purchase, hit that like button. Subscribe for more mechanic secrets the industry doesn't want you to know. I'll see you in the next one.